Guys, I'm down here in my basement bathroom where my printers are, down in the basement here, and I got this SUNLU, and I did like a real short video, and I wanted to show you something here because I've seen people complaining about this. But here's the readout: 55 degrees. I don't know what that is Celsius. It's got to be 100 and something degrees. I got a thermometer in here, and this is pretty accurate, and you can see it's reading almost 110 degrees. And now I'm going to take my laser thermometer. I'm going to read that. And it's around 112, 113 degrees. So this SUNLU's doing pretty good as far as temperature. Maybe the people who were complaining about it got a defective one. Maybe they're not using it right. A lot of times you got to watch these digital thermometers because they don't read good on reflective surfaces. So if you're trying to read the bottom of the metal, it's got a little bit of reflectivity to it. It might not give you an accurate read because with this spool holder out of here, I was trying to read it and I was getting 90, 80. It was fluctuating back and forth. So put an empty spool holder or a spool in there and read it and see what it's doing. But for right now, I got that in there. And when I had the thermometer buried all the way in, you can see it sticking out a little bit. When I had it buried all the way in there, it was actually reading close to 120 degrees. So this is doing pretty good, this SUNLU. I might go and get another one. These look like they'll be pretty good. So just wanted to do a video on this and show you guys how it's operating. And it seems pretty accurate, and it seems like it's heating up pretty good. So I'm looking forward to using this. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.